Welcome students to the next session of Standard 9th Geometry, Chapter 9, Surface Area and Volume. In this module, we are going to learn about the volume of a cone. We will be doing an experiment which is also described in your textbook in page number 117. This will help us to derive the formula for volume of a right circular cone. Consider an hollow cylinder and an hollow cone with the same base radius and of same height. Fill the cone with colored water to the brim and empty it to the right circular cylinder. We find that it fills only a part of the cylinder. We fill the cone again to the brim and empty it to the cylinder. We see that the cylinder is still not full. When the cone is filled for the third time and emptied it to the cylinder, we seen that the cylinder is now full to the brim. So now we can calculate the volume of the cone as 1/3 of the volume of the cylinder, which is of same radius and of same height. Therefore, volume of cone can be written as 1/3 multiplied by pi r square h, where pi r square h is the volume of the cylinder. Question number 2. Find the volume of a cone if its total surface area is 7128 square centimeter and radius of the base is 28 centimeter. Pi is equal to 22/7. Find the volume. Total surface area is given and radius is given, pi is also given. So first we will write given cone. You have to write always which 3D object we have taken. So here it is cone, so we don't have to write always radius of the cone or total surface area of the cone. Then total surface area is equal to 7128 square centimeter. Radius is equal to 28 centimeter and pi is equal to 22/7. If it is given in the question, you have to use that value. Otherwise, it is your choice. To find volume of the cone. So solution students, what is given from that we will start. Total surface area of cone is equal to, formula we will write pi r into L plus r. Put the value here. 7128 is equal to 22/7 into r is given 28 into L plus r. So we don't know L, we have to find it. 7128 is equal to 22 into 4 into L plus r is 28. So L plus r 28 is equal to 22 into 4, we will bring it down, 7128 upon 22 into 4. So we will cancel with 4 first. The last two digits 28 is divisible by 4, so the whole number is divisible by 4. Dividing by 4, you will get 131. That is 7s are 28, 32 and 4 2s are. Next is 1782 divided by 22. Number is 1782 divided by 22. We will divide by 2. 2 11s are and 2 8. 18 is 9 and 1. Now 11 divided by 11. 11 ones are, 11 8s are and remaining 11 ones are. So 81 is equal to L plus 28. Bring the 28 to the left side. 81 minus 28 is equal to L. So L is equal to 53 centimeter. L is equal to 53 centimeter. Now what they have asked, you have to find the volume of the cone. Radius is given, L we have got, we have to find the perpendicular height and then volume of the cone. So we will put the formula L square is equal to R square plus H square. 53 whole square is equal to R is 28 whole square plus H square. H square is equal to 53 square minus 28 square. So again we can use the formula A square minus B square. A square minus B square is equal to A plus B into A minus B. So that is 53 plus 28 into 53 minus 28 is equal to H square. So 53 plus 28 is 81 into 53 minus 28 is 25 is equal to H square. Taking the square root, H is equal to square root of 81 into 25. This also, students, you can write the factorization and 9 into 9 into 5 into 5. So H is equal to 9 into 5, that is equal to 45 centimeter. Now we will put the value in the formula of volume. So volume of cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. So V is equal to 1 by 3 into pi, it is already given 22 by 7 into r is 28 into 28 into h is 45. So 7 4s are and 3 15s are. So V is equal to 22 into 28 into 4 into 15. So V is equal to 36960 cubic centimeter. Volume unit will be always cubic centimeter. Question number 5. Volume of cone is 6280 cubic centimeter and base radius of the cone is 30 centimeter. Find its perpendicular height. Pi is equal to 3.14. In this question, volume of cone is given. So given is cone, volume is 6280 cubic centimeter, base radius is 20 centimeter, pi is equal to 3.14. To find its perpendicular height. So solution, students, volume of cone, formula of volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Substituting the value of volume 6280 is equal to 1 by 3 into pi value is 3.14 into 20 into 20 into h. Cross multiplying we get 6280 into 3 upon 3.14 into 20 into 20 is equal to h. So 0 and 0, so we will get h is equal to 3 into 6280 upon 3.14 into 4 into 100. So 20 into 20, 400. I have written as 4 into 100. So h is equal to 3 into 6280 upon 314 into 4. So 100 into 3.14, 340. So this will be equal to 20. Now 4 5s are. So h is equal to 15 centimeter. Height of the cone is equal to 15 centimeter. Question number 7. Volume of a cone is 1232 centimeter cube and its height is 24 centimeter. Find the surface area of the cone. Pi is equal to 22 by 7. Now given is a cone. Volume is given as 1232 centimeter cube and height is given as 24 centimeter. Pi is given as 22 by 7. We have to find the curved surface area of cone. Solution. What is given? Volume of the cone is given. So you will start with the formula of the volume of cone. Volume of cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. So that is equal to 1232. On the left side this is 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 multiplied by r square multiplied by h is 24. So here 3 and 24 will be cancelled. So now 1, 2, 3, 2. Cross multiplying 22 will come here and 8 will come here, that is equal to r square. So 2 and this one will be cancelled. 2, 6 are, 1s are 6. Now 8 ones are 8, 7s are 56, 6. So this is cancelled and 77. So 11 ones are and 11 sevens are. So r square is equal to 7 into 7. Therefore r is equal to 7 centimeter. We have to find curved surface area and the curved surface area is pi r l. So for finding L we have to find, we have got already R, height is already there, so we will be finding L. So again L square is equal to R square plus H square. L square is equal to R, we have got 7 square plus 24 square. So that is L square 49 plus 576. L square is equal to 625. So L is equal to 25 centimeter. Now, third surface area of cone is equal to pi is already 22 by 7 into R is 7 into L is 25. So this 7 and 7 is cancelled. 22 into 25. That is 550 square centimeter. Question number 9. There are 25 persons in a tent which is conical in shape. Every person needs an area of 4 square meter of the ground inside the tent. If height of the tent is 18 meter, find the volume of the tent. The tent is conical in shape. This is the ground. Now total number of people are 25. So given is conical tent. Total people is equal to 25. Height is given as, height of tent is given as 18 meter. Each person requires 4 square meter of ground. To find volume of the tent. Here total number of people is 25 and each person require 4 square meter of ground. So total ground required by 25 people is equal to 25 into 4 is equal to 100 square meter. Now this will be the base area of the tent. So base area of the tent is equal to pi r square, that is circular area. So that will be equal to 100 square meter. Now what is the volume of the cone? So volume of the cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Volume of conical tent is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. So in place of pi r square we will substitute this 100. So that is 1 by 3 into 100. So this is equation number 1. 100 into h is 18. So 3 and 18 is cancelled. We are getting volume as equal to 600 cubic meter. So this is the volume of tent. Question number 10. In a field, dry fodder for cattle is heaped in a conical shape. The height of the cone is 2.1 meter. Diameter of base is 7.2 meter. Find the volume of the fodder. If it is to be covered by polythene in rainy season, then how much minimum polythene sheet is needed? Given is root 17.37 is equal to 4.17, pi is equal to 22 by 7. Now, In this question, dry fodder for cattle is heaped in a conical shape. It is conical shape. The height of the cone is 2.1 meter. Diameter is 7.2 meter. We have to find the volume of fodder and polythene to be covered. Pi is given as 22 by 7 and root of 17.37 is equal to 4.17. So given is cone height is 2.1 meter, diameter is 7.2 meter, therefore radius is equal to 7.2 upon 2 is equal to 3.6 meter. Now we have to find volume and curved surface area, because we are covering the fodder with outer covering we are covering, that's why it is total curved surface area. The solution, we'll find the volume of cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. We have the value of r and h also, so v is equal to 1 by 3 22 by 7 into 3.6 into 3.6 multiplied by 2.1. So here we will remove the decimals, so 22 by 7 into 3 into 36 by 10 into 36 by 10 into 21 by 10. So 7 and 21 will be cancelled, 3 and 3 will be cancelled. So 22 into 36 into 36 upon 1000. So the value is 28.512 cubic meter. Now we have to find the curved surface area. For curved surface area, we need pi r l. So we have to find the value of l. So that is l is equal to root over r square plus h square, and that is equal to square root of r is 3.6 whole square plus h is 2.1 whole square. So L is equal to square root of 12.96 plus 4.41, and that is equal to square root of 17.37. So the value of square root of 17.37 is given, and therefore L is equal to 4.17. Now third surface area is equal to 22 by 7 into R is 3.6 into L is 4.17, and that is multiplying all and dividing by 7 we get 47.18 square meter. So we have got the values. Volume of fodder is equal to 28.512 cubic meter. and the curved surface area or area of polythene needed is equal to 47.18 square meter. So here our exercise 9.2 is completed. Thank you, students.